Hello student, today we are learn our first lesson of unit number 6 is alphabet song. First listen, repeat, read and sing. A. Eat an apple. B. Bounced a ball. C. Cut a carrot and D. Dressed a doll. E. Eats eggs and F. Falls flat. G grows grapes and H hangs a hat. I is on an island. J jumps and jogs. K keeps kittens and I lifts logs. M makes mistakes and needs a nurse. O obeys orders and P patches a purse. Q queued up quickly. R rolled and rose. S spoke slowly and T touched his toes. U uses an umbrella. V has a violet van. W washes windows whenever he can. X hides in boxes. Y says yummy and you. Z says zigzag zoo. Hooray! We are through.